When birds aren't given the opportunity to fly, their flight muscles atrophy and they lose the ability to fly. In Louie's case, he wasn't given the opportunity to spread his wings because he was kept in such a small cage for 26 years. He now has permanent contracture of his wings, so he can't physically spread them, but we work regularly on physical therapy to help him spread and stretch as much as he can. Say, hey, cutie. Hey, cutie. Say, hey, cutie. Good job. Hey. Hey, cutie. Say, hey, cutie. Good boy. Where's your tongue? Wings. Good boy. Wings. Good boy. Wings. Good.